Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. So today I'm going to tell you my secrets of keeping my skin hydrated throughout the winter. I generally have very dry skin and it needs extra care, extra moisturization during winter. These tips will be very essential for those who have dry skin, and also in general for those who want to keep their skin moisturized during the dry winters. What's the problem during winters? During winters, the weather is very dry, so your natural oil from the skin gets dried up and you need extra care. That's why you have to moisturize your skin more than any other season. If you want to know how I keep my skin hydrated and moisturized during the winters and what I am doing currently for my winter skincare routine, please keep on watching the video. I hope you will find this video helpful.
EMegaMart Winter Care Kit has 4 essential winter care products and is priced at ₹1279. You can get it at www.emegamartindia.com.
I'm using products from EMegaMart for my winter care routine. EMegaMart has some amazing products, and the winter care kit that I'm using from them has all the necessary skincare products that are useful for the dry winter season. And especially for me who has very dry skin, this is something that I really require. So this is how the box looks and these are the products that I am using. So one by one I'm going to show you what are the products and how they are beneficial for my winter skincare. The first and foremost thing that we should do during winters is use a very good creamy face wash. Cleansing is an essential part of our beauty regime. You should keep your skin clean. For that we need a moisturizing face wash. The first and foremost product, as I said, is a cleanser, and for that I am using the DWash moisturizing face wash from EMegaMart, and this is a very good face wash. It's a cleanser that does not strip away oil from your skin, and it moisturizes your face while cleansing away all the dirt. And this is how the packaging looks.
DWash Creamy Moisturizing Face Wash is a luxuriously creamy formula and is ideal for dry and sensitive skin. It is enriched with oils, butters and vitamins and is priced at ₹4.99 for 70 ml.
This is how good the DWash moisturizing face wash from EMegaMart is, and I am simply smitten by it. The second step of any routine, any skincare routine, would be moisturizing, and for that you need extra special attention during winter, because during winters your moisturizer should be able to keep your skin hydrated a longer period of time. Although it's said that you should apply moisturizer every 4 hours or 5 hours, it's not possible, it's not practical at all. So you need a moisturizer that once applied will keep your skin moisturized for a long time. And I have got my holy grail moisturizer from EMegaMart, and that's the Lipidz cream with skin essentials. This is how the cream looks like.
Lipidz Ideal Facial Moisturizer repairs thin, weak or damaged skin of the face. It has hyaluronic acid, ceramide and squalene and is priced at ₹220 for 50 grams.
So this is how good the Lipidz moisturizer is from EMegaMart. It's winter, so how can you skip your body skin? More than your facial skin, I think on your body needs more attention because it tends to get dry more. And generally we are a little bit negligent towards our body skin. But I have got a very good soap to cleanse my body skin during winter. That is a Visibly Plus from EMegaMart. This is how pretty the bathing bar looks like.
Visically Plus Bathing Bar has wheat germ oil, aloe vera gel and almond oil and is priced at Rs 110 for 100 grams.
If it's winter, how can you keep your body not moisturized for a long time? So after using the bathing bar, after cleansing my body skin with the bathing bar, I apply a very emollient lotion for my skin, on my skin of the body, and that product is the Hydrofil Emollient Lotion. That's how the product looks like.
Hydrofil Emollient Lotion has lecithin, a natural substance found in all living cells, aloe vera, beeswax, vitamin E and is priced at Rs 175 for 100 ml.
This is how good the Hydrofil lotion from EMegaMart is for my body skin, for anyone's body skin in fact, during winters. And I think even if you don't have dry skin, but during winters your skin will tend to get dry, so it's better to use a special winter skincare kit for your skin to breathe, to glow and to be in its best form during the winters. I will suggest using the EMegaMart Winter Care Kit that comes with 4 essential products that are really suitable for the dry winter seasons. So yes, hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.